Engine oil is like your car's blood. It keeps everything running smoothly. Over time, oil gets dirty and breaks down. Dirty oil can't do its job. This hurts your engine. Regular oil changes are key. Fresh oil helps your engine last longer. It also helps your car run better. You'll save money on gas too. Before you start, gather your tools. You will need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, new oil, a new oil filter, a funnel, and some rags. Make sure you have the right oil for your car. Check your owner's manual. It will tell you the right type and amount of oil. First, warm up your car's engine. Then, park on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Locate the oil drain plug under your car. Place the drain pan underneath it. Use the wrench to loosen and remove the drain plug. Let all the old oil drain out. Next, remove the old oil filter using the oil filter wrench. Install the new oil filter. Tighten it by hand. Replace the drain plug. Tighten it with the wrench. Now pour the new oil into the engine using the funnel. Check the oil level with the dipstick. Start the engine and check for leaks. Working with cars can be dangerous. Always use caution. Never work on a hot engine. Let it cool down first. Be careful when handling hot oil. It can burn you. Dispose of used oil properly. Don't pour it down the drain. Take it to a recycling center. Finally, if you are unsure about any step, consult a mechanic.